Every nuclear submarine begins with steel strong enough to survive the crushing pressure of the deep ocean. These pressure hull plates are forged under extreme force to form the backbone of the silent giant. At the core lies a nuclear reactor, powerful enough to operate for decades without refueling. Control rods regulate the reaction, ensuring stable and silent power. Once sealed, the atomic heart is protected behind layers of reinforced shielding. These torpedo systems allow the submarine to strike silently from beneath the ocean. Vertical launch systems enable precision strikes from thousands of miles away.
The sonar dome acts as the submarine's ears, scanning the ocean in total darkness.
Advanced combat systems integrate sonar, weapons, and navigation into one silent command center.
Every launch system is tested through advanced simulations before deployment. The pump jet propulsion system minimizes noise while maximizing underwater speed. Vibration dampening systems make the submarine nearly undetectable. Miles of wiring and piping connect every system into one unified machine.
Every weld is inspected to withstand extreme ocean depths.
Navigation systems allow precise movement across thousands of underwater miles. After years of engineering, the silent giant stands complete. A symbol of strength built beneath the surface. The moment of launch marks the beginning of its mission. Powered by nuclear energy, it can remain submerged for months. Engineered for endurance, designed for silence. Beneath the waves, it becomes nearly invisible. Inside, advanced systems monitor every movement. Silent, powerful, unseen. A floating fortress hidden beneath the surface. The silent giant begins its patrol. Before entering service, every submarine must prove itself at sea. Engineers monitor propulsion, stability, and reactor performance in real time. Ballast systems allow the vessel to descend smoothly into the depths. Precise weight distribution keeps the submarine perfectly balanced. Designed to operate where sunlight can no longer reach. Silence is survival beneath the sea. Unlike traditional propellers, pump jets reduce acoustic signature dramatically. Advanced sonar systems detect movement miles away. Stealth technology minimizes heat and noise signatures. Even ocean giants pass without detecting its presence.
Low-light systems preserve crew vision during long missions.
Nearly invisible, nearly silent. A silent guardian beneath the waves. Some submarines carry strategic missile systems capable of global reach.
Advanced guidance systems ensure extreme precision.
Every system is tested through detailed simulations.
We need to analyze the data immediately. The contamination levels are rising faster than projected.
But the samples are unstable outside containment.
Designed to sustain crews for months underwater.
Occasionally, it rises, only briefly, before disappearing again. Built for endurance, capable of traveling thousands of miles without detection. The nuclear reactor provides virtually limitless range. A machine engineered for decades of service. Precision and discipline define life on board. Unseen. Powered by atomic energy. Driven by silence. The silent giant continues its patrol. Hidden beneath the waves, power moves silently. Far below the surface, the silent giant begins its true mission. Inside, every system operates with absolute precision. Designed to withstand crushing pressure at extreme depths. Powered by a nuclear reactor capable of operating for decades. The atomic heart continues to generate silent, limitless energy. Unseen by the world above, yet always present. Months at sea. Total discipline. Absolute focus. Hidden beneath the waves,